Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the pyramid mix pattern. I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better with my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I just double click and take process some time, and now is just open Alt F file menu and taking new file, and here write a program to print pyramid as following. Yes, so that is a mix pattern. So how it's mixed? So first is a 1. Yes, and then here again we can say that 1 and mix means asterisk and then digit. Yes, so 2. So first row that is 1, then second row 1 asterisk and 2, then third row again 1 is 1 and asterisk and 2, then again asterisk and then 3. So mixed pattern. So that is a number and asterisk. So that is our star sign or asterisk sign. So now next row, that is fourth row, 1, again asterisk. So that is a now 2, then 1 blank, asterisk, and then 3, then asterisk, then 4. Yes, so you can look how its pattern is defined. So we can develop that type of logic. So here is a always start is 1. So here like a 1, 1, 1, then asterisk, then 2 vertical, we can say that. Uh, Sidely we can say that. Yes, and here asterisk is there, here asterisk, here is asterisk. So watch which place is asterisk is there. Here you can see here is asterisk, so that position is a, we can say that, even number. Here 1, 2 and 3. So that 2 is print, but that position is 3. So here is a 2. So we can say that even position. Same here 2 and 4, and here 2 and 4 and 6. So that is a logic we have to develop. That is a, in our asterisk is a even position that is placed. So always even. You look, I again repeat. So here 1, 2, 3, but here position is 2, that is asterisk, and that position is even position. So 2 is there. So here is 2 and here is 4, here 2, 4 and 6. So that is our logic. Now, so and look how first that pyramid first one element, then directly three element, because that one asterisk and 2, and next 5, next 7, and next is 9. Last row is a or fifth row, but at 9 elements. So asterisk, then 2, again asterisk, then 3, again asterisk, and 4, and then again asterisk, and then 5. So look like pyramid. Shape is pyramid, and just for your reference, I give the multi-comment line. So that is our target. So mixed pattern, that pyramid is a mixed pattern, number and asterisk. So that is a mixed pattern pyramid. Yes, so here we can start our link section. Header file include an stdio.h. So that my technique, I can first simple print and then convert to a required desired pyramid shape. So here we can print first 1, 1, 2. That is our simple. So that is a link section, and now turn to main function and then opening closing brace. First I save this file. Yes, that is very important part. Save. Otherwise light is gone, your file is also gone. Okay, so that is a habit in exam. Is there university or so you can any exam. So if you're not saving habit to your file, so sometime very dangerous for your mark. Okay. So yes, we can always save our file 2 or 3 line type, then save first and then apply your logic. So that is habit to your developing logic, or you can say that that is safety to our file. Okay, so that is okay. Now we can what give the name. So pyramid, yes, pyr underscore mix pattern. So mix.c, pyramid mix.c. Yes. So here first we can take I, j and n row, a number of row. So here clear the screen, and that first we can take the number of row from user side, enter number of rows, yes, and scanf, yes, we can scan percentage d ampersand n, and then taking for loop over always I equal to 1, that I always any triangle pyramid I start first this our simple logic I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and then I plus plus. Okay, okay, next inner for loop, and that is always start j equal to 1, j less than equal to I, and j plus plus. Okay, and then we can first print, that is also require of this pyramid, yes, j we have to print, and then slash n, that is a outer for loop statement, so I alignment, perfect alignment. So here we cannot provide like a tab here, all these three statement, that is a outer three statement is a outer for loop, but one statement is a inner for loop. So all three statement we can say that that is a outer for loop statement. Okay, and now I just get ch, yes, so we can see our output at a time. Yes, you have to know what is the use of get ch, I think. So now compile, yes, there is no any error, and our exe file is generated, and I give 5 rows. So that is a like 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, that is our requirement here. Look in the our shape, so like 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Now in between we can take the asterisk sign, that is our requirement. So first what to do, first I print this shape to our pattern triangle, that is print in triangle shape. You can now observe here is a right justified triangle. Now I take in the middle side. Okay, so here I take other loop and sp space, not s only, because that sometime looking 5 in value. So sp2 character variable, and at 1, then sp less than we can provide the middle part 40. So our monitor screen is a 80 column divided by 2, so that is 40, and then c plus sp means plus plus, and here blank one provide the blank. So now yes, how it's our triangle go in there, which place, yes, so that is a middle of the screen, and that is a shape is a right right angle. Now we can convert into the left angle. So just place here I only, sp equal to I. So all are shifting left, right to left. Yes, that shape is changed or style is changed. Right justification. Okay, first is a left, right, just now left justification. First we can print the right justification, and now I convert only one, provide here blank. So there are two techniques here, blank, or if you not provide the blank, then 2D, that is same fact, two, one is element and one is blank. So here that is a shape in pyramid, triangle convert into pyramid, that is our goal. And also you can in inverse or mirror image, there are three shape, left, right, and pyramid in reverse order. So what to do, in my previous video lecture I already here our main for loop we can change. Okay, so I cannot repeat this part again, so you can watch my previous fluid triangle in the C language. So now we can, our now you can look, our shape is very similar to our pyramid shape, that is triangle convert into the pyramid, but that is very near to our target, because only we can provide in between one asterisk here and here, here and here. So that is a mixed pattern. So how we can provide, so first now we can take that is one variable, and that is we can say that a, yes, because I why I can take one variable. So I first give the idea, if I directly, yes, here first if condition is required must be. So here we can say that I, that you have to know position is a even odd, that our asterisk is a even positions 2, 2, 4. So we can that our element print by j. So j modulo 2 equal to 0. Then that our print the like that is not perfect print, but we can like print that here percentage 2d, and here we can print j, and here I remove and print the asterisk sign. So what happened, because reminder is 0, that j position is a we can say that that is even, so that asterisk, and otherwise that is print j, but that not perfect print. Let us look how it's print. And here first we can check, and then yes, so what, yes, here brace is remaining, because there are now so many statements in inner loop, so provide the brace for loop, so that is remaining, otherwise no any error. Yes, semicolon is also simple factor remaining part. Semicolon is every statement terminate semicolon, so that is a one asterisk is there, but position is also perfect, but some our element is not perfect, because 1 and 2 but directly 3 is there, and one row that is next to second row, one element first row is proper, but two second row, one asterisk and 2 is there, so that is only 2 elements. So we can need some, I go in step by step, so you can understand very well what is a mixed pyramid print and also logic development part. So here our main loop we can change some different logic. So here our technique n multiply 2, so that is a now double our I 5 enter, then n multiply 10, so that 10 element, and here plus equal to, so that you have to know I equal to I plus 2, that's mean plus yes 2, so that is a short compound assignment operator. Okay, so now that's all. Let us first how I here I just to change here first I less than n, but I give parenthesis and multiply 2. So I and we have to number of row taking 5. So multiply 10. So that number of element here controlled by this j less than I. So directly I 1 and then 3. So 1, 2, 3 element is print. Next 5, next 7. So that is a like a odd number print our elements. So 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. That is our target. So we can give here, that is just for reference, that is full form of this short form. And now what happened? Yes, now our shape is how changed. Some is required. So yes, that very perfect, but element is not perfect, or shape is perfect, and one blank is here in asterisk sign, so that yes now look better. Yes, I think let us step by step I go. Yes, that perfect shape to our requirement, but element is not perfect. I that our target is achieved, but one is there, our left side is okay, but right side is one second row, one asterisk and 2 is there, but j is a not use here, because j is a not a print proper our element, because j is a like you can say here first time first condition you can watch here what happens. So I give the idea, so is better I not directly understand for you. So here I take watch. Yes, so then and then you can understand what happened and what is our requirement. Yes, so here watch window I start, and that also take the output window, and then output window. Yes, our asterisk pyramid shape is printed. So here yes fix and start. Yes, first I give element, so here I, yes, then j, yes, and n only. Yes, and we cannot provide the k. Yes, so that k is remaining, and sp is only provide the blank page. So alter r, that our trace f7 function key you have to know very well. So that main function start all are initially first garbage, and now here clear the screen, and n number of row. Yes, n is we have to take only 3 row. So what is a requirement our logic change is we can identify. So tracing of this I know very well what is required change, but I just show you what is a step by step you can develop your logic. That is my aim. So yes, I equal to here n is 3, just 3 row, and then I initialize 1, then a pace that number of 30, so I just pass out because 39 pace. So here our cursor is blinking here now. Yes, so yes, perfect, that here 39, and j is garbage. Now j equal to 1, but here look, j module 2, so j is 1, so that if condition is false, that is perfect, that print j, so 1, yes, perfect, first row is perfect, and j plus plus, so that is a out, that condition is false because I less than equal to j less than equal to I, but I is 1 and j is 2, so that is a new line, and then I plus plus, so directly 3, yes, not 2, so directly not 2, j I is 3 because I plus equal, that is I plus I equal to I plus 2, so directly jump 3 element we correct, that is perfect. So that number of less pace 40 minus 3, so 37 pace, that is our required. So middle part, yes, I so fast. So here what happened, yes, we have to miss, you can see the, yes, so I close first because that directly jump, so I again start and give the only 3 element, and now yes, that is again, so yes, now one is, that is our goal is achieved, but now uh, yes, some, yes, space is required, yes, 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 so I think now near to our goal, yes, that yes, now is perfect. So that is print, that condition is false because j initialize 1, yes, and that 1. Now j module 2, so that is asterisk is print. But what is I can show you, that is now j is 3 and not is modulo that require, but j is plus plus. So here we can require 2 element, not 3, but j is, that value is 3, so that is print directly 3, not 2. So that is again, yes, condition, yes, I just 3 row we can take. So same, yes, now here that is I is 5 and j modulo, so 1 is printed and directly modulo 2, so that is asterisk, yes, but j is 3, that condition false, and 3 directly, not 2, so that is a missing sum. We cannot take like, yes, so I stop that watch because not a perfect our requirement. So j is not proper, so here I can take the k variable, so you have to know I directly take k, so I cannot so explain, then I take k variable, so you can understand. So here what happened, j is a not required, so here I give the k variable, and we can directly always initialize k in, see our pyramid shape in start, every time that is print in the 1, not a, so 1 and then asterisk and 2, that is required. So j is a covering the perfect, or asterisk sign is perfect print, look, or asterisk sign perfect print, so we can take the j, that condition we have to not change, just our numeric that is different to our requirement. So here I k plus plus, and every time k initialize 1. So here in double part you have to know advanced feature of for loop, k equal to 1. So every time j initialize 1 and k initialize, and then where that print, that time we have to postfix increment. So then and then our requirement element we have to print. So I think that is perfect. Yes, let us check that logic is perfect or requirement. So I give 5. Yes, that is print perfectly. So what I can do? So also I can press only 3 row. So you can understand what happened in this logic, or 4 row just for your reference. So yes, and we can, yes, our watch is ready, so I start directly, you know very well, I press F7 and clear the screen, all are clear, yes, and enter number of row 5, and then all are first j and I garbage, and also provide n that 5, and here that is a 39 pace because I is 1 only, so that is just bypass, but so fast, so sometimes that is gone, so we can some small speed is, yes, now is I think, yes, okay. So j is now initialize 1 and j modulo 0 that false, so that is k is initialize, yes, that we cannot take in watch because with first now tx, so k is 1, yes, here is initialization, so k is every time initialize 1 and then print and plus plus, so that is postfix. If you provide the prefix, so that is first increment and then print. Here postfix increment or decrement operator, so postfix, so first print, so 1 is printed and then increment. So here I press F7, so k is print 1, yes, and then plus plus, so 2 is there, but now slash n, our first inner loop is false, then again that I equal to I is 3, because I equal to I plus 3 2, so 3, and that 37 page, so I just bypass, yes, what is cursor position, yes, some, yes, now is I think okay, 1 or 2 is required, yes, yes, 1, yes, now is okay. So j again initialize 1 and k initialize again, that is comma operator, you can double part initialize, and also you can double part increment, also condition with help of comma, or here condition you can logical and or operator, but here just only this initialize part double with help of comma operator. And now j modulo not that condition is false, again k initialize 1, so k print 1, that is our requirement, and j now, yes, our asterisk sign, that perfect already in previously, so j modulo 2, yes, that condition asterisk in between, that is a even position 2, that is asterisk, and now j that condition is false and our requirement is 2, so here we can previously take the j, that is a directly 3 not 2, so that is now k is 2 and print our require, yes, that is printed our perfect shape, or that is our element, okay. So that is a mixed pyramid number and asterisk or star sign, okay. So now that two row, next third row also take like I plus plus, so I directly 3 plus 2, so 5, and then 35 pace I just bypass, yes, here cursor, yes, now is I think near to or require, yes, 2 or 3 is remaining, so here is that, because that yes, last time, because that is a 5 element print, so here is starting, so that type of pyramid shape is generated, so less number of pace, that is a pace control loop, so I sp equal to I, so I is 5, so 5 is minus 40, so 35 only pace, so I is starting that position, okay. So now j initialize again 1, k initialize again 1, that is both are required. Yes, j is control to asterisk and k is control to our numeric element. That is a if else that you have to know. And module operator, that is our requirement. So that is k again print 1, yes, then j is plus plus, so 2, that modulo 0, yes, asterisk in between, second position. Yes, now j is 3 plus plus, so yes, look in watch window, that condition is false, again k is 2 and then 3, yes, that now j is 4, so that is fourth, that is uh, even position, so again asterisk is print, yes, that our requirement. Now j plus plus, so I less than equal to j, so I is 5 and j is 5, that condition one time true, but that if condition is false, so again k is 3, that print, and 4, but 4 again 1, so last I, yes, now I is plus plus, so 7 minus 40, so 33 only pace directly start here. So I just show you, I think which cursor, yes, now 2 or 3 is remaining. So I show you, yes, 1, 2, yes, I think now near to, or yes, only 1, yes, that finish. So yes, or here blinking cursor, so that is start 1. So here directly j initialize 1, k initialize 1, and that condition, if condition is false, that inner condition is true, but if condition is false, so k again 1, directly yes 1, then j plus plus, so j second position, that is asterisk sign printed, yes, and then j plus plus, so that if condition is again false, so k is 2, that print, and j plus plus, so 4, that is a, we can say that even position asterisk sign, that asterisk sign controlled by this if condition, and numeric field that take by k variable, that is very simple but very important logic. So I hope you can understand. So now, yes, that I think k is plus plus, but j 5. So here k is 3. Yes, and then j is 6. So that modulo is condition true. Remainder is 0. So asterisk is required. That is a 6 element, and last is a k. So j is less than equal to I, but both are same 7 7. I is 7 and j is 7. So last time condition is true, but if condition is false, so k is print 4. Yes, that our requirement. So up to 4 row we can take the watch window. Now same process going on. So now I stop this watch and just press F9. You can in between you can stop your watch. That is also important. And again full screen. And now our main logic is set. Now we can some decoration to our pyramid. And here we can provide some color combination. So here C printf is required. You have to know very well. Text color is there, and here I provide like J plus 1 and plus blink. Okay, and then here also we can provide uh, after that here brass is required, and here also brass is required if else, because there are two statements now. So C printf, that is a window form. So then and then color your display text color, and then here we can provide like k, this k or j both are same. So here or I, yes, let us take I plus 1 and plus blink. So what color is there? And here also provide the brass. So first we can just color both our pyramid shape, mixed pyramid. Yes, so that is look better. Yeah, I think yes, perfect. Okay, so blinking and coloring, mix color, mix pattern, mix type of pyramid shape. Yes, and now we can take more, and that more we have to use delay function. So that is like magic sum. So 500 or yes, and here also delay same 500, that is measurement in millisecond, and one header file is required because text color is not required, that conio.h world that function, so we cannot require extra, but delay is a dos.h header file, so dos shell, so that is a delay, some waiting and printing suspended, yes, so that is waiting and printing. So look like better, blinking, waiting, printing, and mixing pattern and mixing coloring. Yes, and last that perfect, and also we can provide the background color. Yes, that is remaining. So text, that is also in conio.h. So no any extra header file is required. I just I. So that is also yes. Now here text color, yes, and then I, yes, so text background color, yes, so text background, yes, B, yes, N is remaining, so background, yes, so no spelling mistake is there, yes, no, yes, right, so let us how it's, so yes, so that is a blinking, waiting, mix color, mix type of pattern, and mix type of color combination we have to print. So I think that is perfect. Yes. So mix pyramid shape, numeric and star asterisk sign. In between we can take the asterisk sign. That is very important logic. So yes, I that if condition is very important for that is asterisk sign. And here our new variable k is a like magic, that is a holding our numeric value perfect way. So then after I decoration, sometime I decoration first because that some simple logic is that. But here we can take first trace our logic step by step and then taking some decoration. And if you not look that background color, so you just comment line because that is a I think before without background color sometimes that is looking better. I think yes. So let us take last time print. And also sometimes that is looking in the same color. Yes, we can also testing same color is also that is mixed pattern and mixed coloring there. So I some give idea like here or fix the here I fix first I change here I give the red color. Yes, and here I provide the like yellow. So our asterisk is yellow. Yes, so how it's looking. Yes, let us check. So sometimes that is also look better. Yes, so all are yellow and asterisk is a red sign. Yes, so that is also look better, good sometime. Only one color for number and one color for asterisk. So that is blinking coloring. So I think previously is better. So I just change. So here over mm, j plus 1 and here over I plus 1. Yes, so that is I plus 1. So that is a better. Yes, I think. So yes, now yes, that is mixed color, mixed pattern. So that is a perfect, I think. Okay. So yes, that is a color combination, and that is all decoration is some testing, and then you have to decide which color is better for your. So yes, I think that is perfect. Yes. So now my session is closed, and write this program to your mix pattern pyramid in C language. Write this pyramid shape first in rough paperwork, and then that perfect step by step I say you logic, so you can write this logic or some extra if you know very well. So you can also apply some different logic. There is no any one way. In C programming there is so many ways, but that is I think there is no any change in this logic. If you move just one that for loop, that is extra, but that is also middle part print. So some space is you to provide. Otherwise, that not perfect in pyramid shape. Okay. So yes, I close this file. Yes, Alt F3 function key, and that our yes here our output that blinking, printing, and mix pattern coloring. Yes. So I close this output window and watch window and message window and Alt X. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt or any question to regarding this C language programming of this definition or any other definition or any other programming. So write in comment section. I definitely give the answer. And thanks again and Hare Krishna.